how to make your Shopify store not live. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to make your Shopify store not live. Make sure to watch till the end. This quick guide will walk you through the process step by step. Alright, first go to shopify.com. You can either search for it on Google or type it straight into your browser. Once you're there, log into your account. If your store is connected to your Google account, you can just click Continue with Google for a faster login. After logging in, you'll land on your Shopify dashboard. Now, to start making your store inactive, head down to the bottom left corner of your dashboard and click on Settings. This is where all your store's backend controls lie from payments and shipping to account settings. Inside the Settings menu, click on the Plan section. Here you'll see details about your current subscription, trial period, and billing info. What you want to do next is find and click on the Deactivate Store or Pause or Cancel Subscription link. Shopify might phrase it slightly differently depending on your plan. At this point, Shopify will guide you through a few screens. Just follow the prompts, and when asked to confirm, click Continue. Once you complete that, your store will no longer be live. Just a heads up, this doesn't delete your store. It just makes it inactive, which means customers won't be able to access it, but you can still log in and make edits whenever you like. And that's it. You've now taken your Shopify store offline. You can come back and reactivate it anytime by logging in and choosing a new plan. If you found this helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more Shopify and e-commerce tips. See you in the next one.